Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make arroz con leche or rice pudding. The first thing you will need is a pot, a wooden stick or a wooden spoon, rice, water, cinnamon, milk, condensed milk, and sugar. So first you're going to get the pot, you're going to add some rice, and you're going to cover the rice with some water. Then you're going to take the pot and put it in the stove. You're going to leave it on medium heat. And once the rice starts absorbing the water, you'll notice that there's going to be less and less water. Once it has finally finished absorbing all the water, you're going to add the milk. And you could add as much milk as you want. If you want it to be runny, you could add more milk. If you want it thicker, you could add less milk. After that, you're going to get some cinnamon, and you're going to break the stick in half. You could either put half of the stick or you could put less, however you desire. The next thing you're going to put is the condensed milk. This will make the rice pudding more sweet. If you want it even sweeter, you could add sugar. And you're going to get your wooden spoon and you're going to mix it up so that the sugar doesn't stay at the bottom of the pot. After that, you're going to add the milk. And I already talked about the milk, but you could add more if you want. And then you're going to let it boil. Just make sure it doesn't boil too much or else it will fall off of the pot and you're going to have to clean the mess up. Once it is finished boiling, you could turn it off and you could serve it if you want it hot, or you could let it stand for a bit and you could enjoy it cold as well. And that's how you make rice pudding.